Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency trading on Binance. We'll explore effective risk management strategies to minimize potential losses. Conducting thorough research and analysis is crucial for making informed trading decisions. We'll provide a comprehensive guide to trading on Binance. Learn how to set up your Binance account and navigate the platform. Explore different order types and strategies for executing trades on Binance. Discover advanced trading strategies, security analysis, and additional resources on Binance. Watch our comprehensive video tutorial for a complete beginner's guide to trading on Binance. Stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space. Start small and practice on demo accounts before investing real funds. Implement effective risk management strategies to maintain control and reduce losses. Leverage the resources and features provided by Binance to maximize your trading success. Sign up now to start your cryptocurrency trading journey on Binance.